Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had CPI inflation data for the US today. Didn't really make a huge move like it normally does. Did cause the euro to go up, and now it is recovering. So if it breaks this structure right here, which is the most recent structure level in this 1 hour time frame, then I would definitely be paying attention to these Fibonacci levels, because most likely what would happen is it would make a correction to the last 5 waves up. So if it breaks that level right there, then I would expect to see a 3-way pullback, probably down to one of these Fibonacci levels, then probably another impulsive move up and another continuation of the uptrend. Now I keep saying if, because if it doesn't break, but if it actually makes a higher low, which is definitely possible, then definitely continue to look for longs. The trend isn't over until the trend is proven to be over, and for me it's not proven to be over until we at least get a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame to there, and on the higher time frames I don't think the trend would be proven to be over until it actually breaks this level down here. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.